Hello and welcome to Exploratory Data Analysis with Python. Or in short, EDA with Python. We are bombarded with lots of data in our everyday life. The question is, how can we get useful information from data? That's where exploratory data analysis comes into play. Exploratory data analysis is an approach to data analysis. It is an important step of data science life cycle. It aims to reveal the underlying pattern. Exploratory data analysis uses statistics and visualization to summarize the main characteristics of a dataset. It helps us make sense of data and understand data relationships. So, if you would like to learn the main practices involved in exploratory data analysis, learn how to perform data pre-processing and preparation, learn how to visualize data in different forms, learn the basics of statistical data analysis, get familiar with grouping data into clusters, and get hands-on experience by working with Python libraries. This course is for you. Let's start the EDA journey with Python. The demand for data analysis experts with Python experience is high. There are various job positions for them. In this course, after a series of introductory topics on exploratory data analysis with Python, we will discuss describing data, importing data, data exploration, and data visualization, data preparation, data relationships, and data clustering, as well as some supplementary topics. And eventually, you have some final tasks to help you better learn the topics. Enroll today at techclass.com.